nigga going shopping. For this recipe I'm about to cook today, guys, it's going down. I'm about to make a soup right now. For this next hour, I'm about to be adding recipes. So if you want to wait until it's all done, don't watch nothing after next snap until like 12. Anyway, I'm making Zuppa soup, Toscana, or Toscana. And here's the ingredients, big. Alright, first thing first, get a pound of bacon, put it in the oven for 20 minutes.
Oh, stop.
What are you doing? Now you take Italian sausage and pork sausage. Get your face out of my motherfucking. So after you ground all that up, take your big white onion. Here's a secret. Now listen, watch this. You gotta tap it like this. Give it a kiss. So that way your onion will smash like this. See, look at that. It diced itself. I learned that from my grandma. Nobody ever knows about this trick, but it's pretty convenient. After that, you got to get some yellow potatoes and cut them up in some dices, however you want. The sausage in there. Put the onions in there. Add in some minced garlic. Take a drink of 211. All right, put the onions with the sausage. Chop up all the freaking bacon. Drain all the motherfucking bacon. Get all that grease out. And drop all that bacon in there. Pour 10 cups of water into the Zuppa. Put that on high heat. Drop the potatoes in there. Blah, blah, blah. Add some chicken bouillon.
Caught me in a hallway. Got a sticky and I keep it at my dog's place. Girl, I left it, love it, magic, not all shade. Still going bad. Whoa. I can feel like 80 rats in my Marys. Me and Drizzy back to back is getting scary. If you fucking with my eyes, just don't come near me. Put some bins all on your head like Justin Terry. Whoa, rich and million, for real. She said, oh, you rich. Bitch, I graduated, call me Big Fish. I got Lori Hurry on my wish list. That's the only thing I want for Christmas. I've been having my way out here, yeah. Stand up in the motor, bust the gas, bro. Stand up in the motor, bust the gas, bro.
Now you add the kale at the end.
My skin tan and my hair long. My fans who been so patient. Me and 40 back to work, but we still smell like it's easy to see that you're fitter. But I can't just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Hey.
H-Town got a nigga so throw. Oh, we can party shit.
Yeah. What is that? Ah! Apple crumb right here. Got me one of them sticks. That's fucking awesome. Comes right apart.
I'm always ready.
All right. In my dreams, you're blowing me some kisses.
That's one of my favorite things to do.
You and I could go down in history.
That's what I'm praying to do with you. Let's do it in ways that make us feel good. We're friends.
I'm gonna beat off all my demons.
That's what loving.
I just wanna make out what you're saying.
Read my lips, it's what you're looking for.
Here I am, sneaking up behind you.
You can